In this video, I'm going to show you how I fixed a hole in my small bathroom. Hey guys, I'm Daires of DIY Power Couple. On this channel, we help you update your home and save money by doing it yourself. My wife found a hole in the wall after removing wallpaper from behind the toilet. It's not a really big hole, but it still needs to be fixed. So I grabbed some mesh tape, and our daughter said that she wanted to help out with this project. She's helped us out on projects before, so I used this as a teaching lesson and showed her where to place the tape. She did a great job. I had some patching compound powder from previous projects. I like to use this because it's satisfying and relaxing. It's kind of like using instant pancake mix. Just mix it together with the water until you have a semi-thick consistency. Since my daughter wanted to learn how to patch a hole in the wall, I let her try it first. Then I went behind her to smooth out the compound mixture over the tape before it dries. So I put on my safety glasses, my mask, and also some gloves, because you want to make sure it can fit. I'm going to put a new pad on. So right now I'm going to start off with the 120 grit. While using the mouse sander, I smoothed the compound to remove all of the bumps. As you can see, it started to get very dusty. This is why I had protective eyewear, a mask, and gloves on. I took off the baseboards for a flooring project, so stay tuned for that video. In the end, everything turned out fine. We fixed the hole that was behind the wallpaper and toilet. If you find an unexpected hole in your wall and you want to fix it, check out this video. Please give us a like, share this video, and remember, you can DIY too. Thanks for watching.